we're doing Sprite challenge. Is there 5 of us? 5?
Yes.
Right, here we go. We're doing first to burp.
Hang on. But what, have we got to finish it or?
Try and finish it.
Yeah.
Whoever can try and win.
Not like a burp? No.
Not like a burp. Let's sugar.
Cheers.
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 She has to in it.
I need to burp already.
What do I?
I thought you'd nearly finished yours then looking at camera. I think the bigger gulps you do, the worse it is.
Rain freeze.
It's not ice cream. I've got pain in my chest already.
Marcus, you're doing well there.
I can't breathe.
Are you getting on, Joe?
Getting on here.
It's in my chest.
We heard us all. Headache, brain freeze, tummy ache. We're doing quite well, no one's burped yet. Shut up, Marcus has nearly done it. Oh, winner. I'm gonna burp. I'm gonna burp.
I'm gonna wee.
Oh my god,
I've never heard that sound quite you before.
They won't stop coming now.
Oh my god, I am actually crying.
Oh.
That is hilarious.
Has anyone finished theirs?
No, just you.
I'm not even
Right.
past labour.
Joe, have you finished?
They nearly came back up then.